Hello, welcome to Python video tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to see user defined function or UDF. We will start with a simple example, then we will see how it is going to work. So here we can see how a function is being declared and used. This is a way to define a function. Diff add a comma b. So diff is a keyword used to define a function, and add is the name of our function which we are creating now or created just now. A, b, the values a and b, two variables a and b, which are the arguments for the function add. Arguments are used to get values into the function, or the function add will do something with a and b, or simply this is a program for addition. That means if you supply two values for a and b, this function will add and the answer will be printed out. That's it. So now it is defined. To define the block of code, the usual syntax of Python is to have a colon here, and which are all the statements coming under it. We will be having a tabs spacing. So indentation is important in in Python. So I have given one tab here. So it is defined. So we have the function add defined here in our program. So let us try add within brackets. That means we can supply the arguments for the method or the function add. So I am giving the arguments 7 and 9. So the duty of the function is to add 7 and 9. 7 plus 9, it is 16. So it is being added and printed. This is what a function is simply called. But here in this function we have only one statement. Actually, the functions are used with many number of statements, so that if it is repeatedly used in our program code, we don't have to write it again and again. Instead of that, we can define a function once and we can reuse it. So it is a concept of modular programming. Define the code somewhere and use it again and again. So it will speed up the programming, the coding speed will be increased. Or otherwise, another way, if you give some other values, first we have tried for 7 and 9. Similarly, if you try something else, 12.79 comma 78.94. So once the function is ready, then we can use it for any calculations with this pattern. This function add is defined or designed only to add two numbers. So whichever two numbers you want to add, this function is ready. This is a user defined function. There is no such function in function called add in Python. This is our own function we have defined. So we can define our own functions, and all the functions will be having its own name, and its own name in the sense unique name. So each and every function there will be one name for function, and we can use it by referring the name. So instead of typing the repeated code, just refer the name of the function and use it again and again within the code, within the program code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you could follow this lesson about UDF or user defined function in Python. And please do subscribe the channel for more video lessons and more. Bye.